Please be a golden trout. Oh yeah, that's definitely a big one. How big is he? Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Yikes. This one might be 20. That's a big golden. That's a big golden. Okay. Gotta figure out where that hook is too. Got her. Weird. She's got a deformity on her tail. That's okay though. She'll still eat. Oh, she's heavy. All right. That's okay, girl. Well, actually, I don't know. Not sure if I want to eat one that has a deformed tail. Let me see. Where is that hook? Gone. There we go. I'm not sure. She might not make it since he's got in the grass, but I'll put her back in the net quick. I want to measure her. 17 3/4. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna release you because I sort of don't want to eat you because you're deformed. Okay. Come on. Are you going to make it? Oh yeah, she'll make it. There she goes.